Welcome to this program. Today we will be discussing the application of the distance formula. Now we have seen the distance equals root of x difference square plus y difference square. Now if you want the ratio of division of a line segment, now suppose A, B, P, suppose P divides AB in a ratio. What is that ratio? The ratio in which P divides AB is AP by PB. So we see this is actually a distance. So it's a ratio of two distances. Now for example, the ratio in which 3/4 divides the join of 8 minus 1 and 5/2. So we require the ratio in which 3/4 divides the join of 8 minus 1 and 5/2. So 3/4 will come somewhere here. 8 minus 1 and 5/2. So we need the distance AP. AP square. You know it is the difference of x square. 8 minus 3 is 5. Square is 25 plus 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 5. Square is 25. So it is AP squared is 15. Now PB square, similarly you are getting 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2, square is 4, plus 2 minus 4 is minus of 2, square is again 4, or you are getting 8. So AP square by PB square, the result AP square by PB square is 50 over 8, or you can say it is 25 over 4, and we require the root of this. So AP by PB is root of 25 by 4. It is 5 divided by 2. So the ratio here is 5:2. So that ratio comes directly from the distance formula. Now there are different methods of getting the ratio, which we will discuss later on the way. Here we consider another application of the distance formula. Now we have seen a right triangle here. The perpendicular sides are A and B, and the hypotenuse is C. So we see there is a relation connecting A, B and C. The relation is S squared plus B squared equals C squared. So if such a relation comes in the case of a triangle, the triangle is a right triangle. So for a right triangle, this is the condition. S square plus B square equals C square. In other words, S square plus B square minus C square equals 0. So in the case of a right triangle, a situation of this exists. Now if S square plus B square minus C square is not equal to 0, that means the triangle is not a right triangle. Now what are the cases? Now if you see a triangle, equilateral triangle ABC, you see this is 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. Now if this is small a, if this is small b, this is small c, we know A is B is C in the case of an equilateral triangle. So what happens to this a square plus b squared minus c squared? A equals b equals c. So everything is a square plus a square minus a square. So this is plus a square. That means it is positive. So if a square plus b square minus c square is positive, the angle is not right angle. The angles are less than 90 degree. So less than 90 degree means acute angle triangle. So a square plus b square minus c square is positive, means the triangle is acute. Now here we will discuss in detail later. Now if a square plus b square minus c square is negative, that is the third case. A square plus b square minus c square is 0. A square plus b square minus c square is positive. A square plus b square minus c square is negative. The obtuse angle triangle comes. Obtuse angle triangle comes. So we see simply taking the distances, distance formula application, we can see the nature of the triangle. Now we will do questions based on this. Now we discuss a question based on this. Suppose A is 5, B is 3, B is 7. What is the nature of the triangle formed by A, B and C? Now usually A, B, C, side opposite to A is small a, side opposite to B is small b, then small c. Now we work out S squared. S squared is actually BC squared. So we need only go for this. BC squared. 7 minus 3 is 4. Square is 16. 2 minus 2 is 0. So it is 0. So S squared is 16. B squared. B square means AC square. So we go here. 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 or 7 minus 5, 2. Square is 4. 8 minus 2 is 6. Square is 26. So answer is 40. B squared. Now C squared. C is AB. So AB square. 5 minus 3 is 2. Square is 4. Plus 8 minus 2 is 6. Square is 36. So it is 40. So immediately we see that two sides are equal. So it is an isosceles triangle. So distance formula gave you the idea of an isosceles triangle. Now you can see a square plus b square minus c square. A square plus b square minus c square is 16 plus 40 minus 40 is positive. That means angle C, that is the letter C, is acute. Now similarly you can go for b squared plus c squared minus a squared. B squared plus c squared minus a squared is positive. That means angle A is acute. Now c square plus a square minus b square. C square plus a square minus b square is positive. That means B is acute. So this triangle is an acute angle triangle. It is isosceles. That is the idea given by simply the distance formula. All of you do. I am very happy to explain more ideas of mathematics and we will be going for more results of the applications. I will make sure that you understand the things. If there is a doubt, you can just ask.